My name is Luisa Corredor. I'm a senior in mechanical engineering, and fingers crossed, graduating this May. I was born and raised in Bogota, Colombia. One of the things that I was really passionate about was math and sciences and like problem solving. So then I started looking for schools that would give me a view of the world, of what is out there, of like the people that are out there. And Purdue was one of the schools that fit that. And I liked it. I loved how it put me out of my comfort zone, and it made me grow. I know it was mechanical engineering because it allowed me to design and make the things that I would design a reality. So like I would have been able to make this button, right? But would I have been able to machine it, to manufacture it, to make the mold that was gonna make this a reality and was gonna make 5,000 of them to give them to people? And that's what I wanted. I wanted to be part of the entire life of the product. I'm minoring in computer science, and I discovered that in my freshman year, and I was like, oh, this is amazing. Nobody ever told me that people could do this. And this part of programming is able to bridge both worlds that I like. The creating something physical, but having a machine talk back to it in the exact way that I wanted to do it. So freshman year, for me to be able to go through school was really challenging. Like at some point in time, after my first semester, I had to take a break from Purdue so that I could work. So I worked for a full year so that I could save up money and I could go back to school because I couldn't afford it. Once I came back and I was officially mechanical engineering and I was able to get the scholarships, things changed. The amount of pressure that I had for me to be able to pay for rent, for me to be able to buy a book. And people don't understand that $200 make a difference. $200 could be the difference between me going to school this semester or having to wait off until next year. And it means the world when you know that someone is backing you up and I'm gonna do something amazing because I know that someone is putting that faith in me and allowing me to do things that I didn't think were even possible. And that includes a study abroad. I went to Europe. I took a civil engineering technical elective class, and I could not have done it if I hadn't had scholarships that supported me being able to finish up school without having to worry about that, and then being able to plan and go and study somewhere else and see what other people are doing and learn from that experience. My Purdue education has given me so much that I know that moving forward, I can take it. I've done it before. Thank you for believing in my dreams and investing in my future. That's literally what you're doing. You're putting in money that is gonna come back to Purdue and other students 10 years from now, multiplied by 3, 5, 10, you name it. Because most of us that are gonna graduate that have been helped out by the scholarship fund will come back and put money because we know and we understand the difference that it makes. I'm gonna also be thinking of how many Purdue kids can I send this money to so that they can finish their semester. I wanna thank those people. They make dreams come true.